Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show how you can journal your progress in Obsidian. So far we have created daily tracker, we have used dashboard and we have habit library. Now you have this progress journal folder where you can share your reflections or your ideas or your thoughts about the daily habit tracker that you are following for the last couple of days or last couple of weeks or months. So, progress journal is a perfect place for you to reflect on the activity that you are doing in Obsidian. So let's say you have some valuable insights or reflections that you want to document in Obsidian. All you need to do is go to Progress Journal and I'm going to create a new folder. Let's say this month is February. So I'm going to say February 2025. Hit enter. So under Progress Journal, you can create the folder depending upon the month and year. So under February 2025, I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to create a new note. I'm going to create a new note and the note is called personal reflections. Let's say personal reflections for Feb. For Feb. I'm going to copy all these things, copy, paste it here, copy these things, and I'm going to paste it here. So these are some examples. So this is the example that I am showing. In the same way, you can also document following the same format if you like it. So personal reflections for February 2025. Purpose: to reflect on how habits are impacting your life with links to specific habits and trackers. So, what is example format? The note title is Personal Reflections Week 1. Or if you're doing it in the month of Feb, let's say week 2, you can say week 2 or week 3 or week 4. So, for personal reflections week 1, this is the date 4th of February 2025. And what are the habits that you have practiced? You have practiced gratitude, you have done gratitude practice and you have also done 1 minute mindful breathing. And you can reflect now. You can share how you have felt after practicing these two micro habits. I feel calmer after practicing 1 minute mindful breathing. Writing down one thing I am grateful for in my daily habit tracker shifts my mindset. So, you came to a realization that after writing one grateful sentence in daily habit tracker, it shifts your mindset to be more positive. So, this is what you have felt. So, you can document these things. And this is a valuable insight that you have noticed, which is pairing gratitude practice with morning coffee helps me stay consistent. So, whenever you're drinking coffee and practicing gratitude, you are more consistent with these habits. So, these are some valuable reflections that you can document for each and every month or week. So, if you want to link it to gratitude practice, you can also link from progress journal to habit library. So if you click on it, it will take you directly to gratitude practice. It took us directly to habit library gratitude practice. So you can also link your thoughts or ideas from one note to another note. So if you see here, it says connect reflections with the daily habit tracker to review progress. So you can also link from this note to daily habit tracker. So which I'm going to show right now. See, let's say for example, I want to link this to 4th Feb 2025. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type two square brackets followed by 2025. If you see now, the dates are already reflecting 4th of Feb and 5th of Feb. So I'm going to select 4th of Feb and I'm going to hit enter. So if you see now, we have linked this note, personal reflections for February to the daily habit tracker note 4th of February 2025. So you can link your thoughts, you can link your ideas from one note to another note. So let me click on it and see how it goes. So if I click on it, boom, it took me directly to daily tracker note. So you can jump between these notes and you can get valuable information while navigating through these things in Obsidian. So let me go back to this. So these are personal reflections for February. Now I would also like to show some other things. So you can also document wins and milestones. So I'm going to copy it, copy, go back to Obsidian. I'm going to open a new note called wins and milestones for February. So this is the name of the note, wins and milestones for February. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these things and I'm going to paste it here. I'll go back. I'm going to copy these things as well and I'm going to paste it here. Okay, so in Feb 2025 you have done personal reflections. Now you want to create a new note for wins and milestones so far for February month. So wins and milestones, purpose, celebrate achievements and motivate progress. Example format, note title, wins and milestones for the month of February. So basically you have come to the end of the month and you want to discuss about wins and milestones for February month. So these are some wins and milestones for February. You have completed a 7-day streak of 1 minute mindful breathing. You have maintained drinking 1 glass of water first thing in the morning for 14 days straight. So this is a very good win that you have achieved. And you have also hit 5,000 steps daily goal for 2 weeks. So you are walking 5,000 steps for 2 weeks non-stop. So this is very important win and milestone in February. And these are the pro tips. Link milestones to daily habit logs and create a summary link on your dashboard like this. This week's win 7-day meditation streak. So if you want to go to the main dashboard and if you want to, create a link, you can also type 7-day meditation streak. And at any point in time, if you want to link milestones to daily habit logs, you can also link it. So let's say, for example, I want to link it to let's say square bracket. I want to link it to, let's say, 10-minute reading habit. So if at any point in time, if I want to link milestones to habit library, I can also link it to any of these habits. So if I click on it, it will take me directly to 10-minute reading habit. So this way you can use internal linking from one node to another node without any problem. So this is going to help you to link your thoughts, ideas and nodes. Now let's go to the last one. It is challenges faced. Now go back to progress journal once again and I'm going to create a new node called challenges faced. Challenges faced in February. Now I am going to copy all these things. Copy, paste it, copy and paste it here. So in Feb 2025, you have discussed about personal reflections, you have talked about wins and milestones. It is also okay to talk about challenges faced in February month. So challenges faced, purpose, identify obstacles and plan solutions using habit links. Example format, challenges faced in week 2. So 11th of February 2025. What are the habits that you have struggled with? Daily affirmations for positive thinking. And the challenge is, I forgot to do this in my morning rush. In the morning, you were quite busy and you couldn't do it. And the solution is, link it with my morning routine checklist to build consistency. And the reflection is, could also set a reminder using habit tracker reminder. So if you can link this morning routine, if you can link this daily affirmations for positive thinking, if you can add it, under templates, then you are not going to miss it. You are not going to miss it. So that is what it is saying. Link it with my morning routine checklist to build consistency. Could also set a reminder. If you want to set a reminder, you can also set a reminder using habit tracker reminder. So this way you can overcome this particular challenge. All right. So time to time, come to Progress Journal for each and every month. Discuss about the challenges that you have faced, discuss about the personal reflections for that particular month, and also talk about wins and milestones for that particular month. So do it for each and every month. Do it for each and every month without ignoring it. If you do that, it is going to give you valuable insights, and you can use those valuable insights to progress faster to reach your goals. All right. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.